I can get one now.
Well, okay, you can work on it for the 2 o'clock meeting. How's that sound?
No,
Okay,
no,
so
I got it. I got it.
here's what we're doing today. It's Thursday, November 17th. We are going to do our super secret activity of working with our scratch pad. We're going to talk about that in a minute. But I also wanted to remind you of a couple of things. You should have submitted 502 to me, and that is your plan for your essay with your hook, your thesis, and your 3 supports. So let me share again the ice cream essay that we wrote together and just go over that with you to make sure you remember. So what I'd actually like everybody to do right now is open up a new Google Doc and title it opinion essay. So if you go to your Google Docs and you do a new one, you open a Google Doc right now, I want you to title it your name and opinion essay, okay? So that you know that it's there. And then I want you to make sure that you type out your hook, your bridge if you have one. You don't have to have a bridge. It's really just saying that you need to make sure that your hook blends into your thesis nicely. So in this case, I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. That's our hook. And then in this essay, I will convince you, that's our bridge. Ice cream is the best snack for many reasons. That's our thesis. And here are my 3 reasons. 1, 2, 3. Today, your job is to take and type that into a Google Doc. So you need to make a new Google Doc and title it opinion-based essay. I thought I just did one, but I don't know where it went. Okay, we'll try again. Okay, so you're going to go up and you're going to make a new opinion-based essay with your name, opinion, essay, and then you're going to type your introduction. So for today, I really want you to get your introduction done on your, well, by tomorrow anyway. I want your introduction done. You don't have to type introduction, but your assignment is to, oops. Did I do that? I don't know how I did that. Is to 1, make a new Google Doc. 2, type your title and name. And 3, type your introduction, which equals your hook, your bridge if you have one, plus your thesis, and 3 reasons. Like this. Okay. We'll title this one Ice Cream is Cool by the class. So here's my title. Here's my, and I'm going to underline it to make it more title-y. Give it a highlight. By the class, tell who it's by. Here, I'm going to indent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Then I want to make sure that this is over here at the edge, not, there it goes. I will convince you that ice cream is the best snack. Best snack. Oh, Bessie's stack. For many reasons. First, it has a creamy, delightful texture. Let me get this all fixed up. Next, it comes in lots of different types of flavors. Finally, so here's what I wanted in. I wanted in paragraph format. So this is paragraph format. You're starting to type your essay. It does not have to be color coded like this. I'm going to get rid of the color coding and make it all black. So there is what I expect today, is that you get your essay onto a Google Doc and you just write the introduction, which should be super easy because all it is your hook, your thesis, and your 3 reasons. That's it. You'll be done for today. Your introduction should be written. So if you want to write it by hand in your booklet, you can, but in the end, you're going to have to type it. So I'd prefer you went ahead and did that. And then please share it with me. It with Lori_Laws at beaverton.k12.or.us. Okay, that's your assignment today in writing, is to do that. While you're working on writing, I'll be reading the story. But before I do that, I'm actually going to share a few ideas for your black scratch pad because you might want to do this later and work on your scratch pad right now. Eli, you had a question.
I have my joke.
Oh, okay. Tell us your joke. Tell us your joke and then we'll go to the scratch pad.
Okay. Why did the gym close down?
Why did the gym close down?
It was weary.
Nope.
Too many kids.
Athletics, sweat, exercise. Anybody have any ideas?
I'm fresh out of ideas now.
I'm kind of fresh out too.
It just didn't work out.
Ah, is that what it is?
Yeah, I think I know. Like looked up on Google.
I think you did
No,
too.
I know that joke.
Yeah. Cause bro, if you knew that, you could have said it like a long time ago.
Okay. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. It's a cute joke. Why did the gym close down? It just didn't work out. Okay, friends, remember to start your essay and get the introduction written. This is all there is to the introduction. I don't want you to explain any of your reasons in the introduction. You just list them. First, next, finally, okay? So the introduction should be real clean, real easy. In the meantime, I'm going to show you this scratch art paper. So I'll start watching this, and this one's how to draw space step by step. But if you get online, you're going to find that there are zillions of ideas for scratch art. So this paper is specially coated paper. It has a rainbow pattern under it. You can use a crayon, not a crayon. You can use a pen. You can use your stylus. You can use a spoon. You can use an edge of a fork. Any of those things will scratch the color off, but you should make a plan first for what you want to make before starting to scratch it. So
I want to make a rocket.
Again, let me show you all those ideas so that you have lots of ideas. So there are tons and tons of, and right here, all I just Googled was rainbow scratch art designs. So these are so cool. And some of them even give you step-by-step instructions on how to do it. So then if you do rainbow scratch art designs on YouTube, it comes out like this. This one is how to draw space step-by-step. Here's how to draw animals under the sea. Here's do-it-yourself mandala art. Very cool. I don't know if that's going to open. Here is this flower one that I kind of want to watch. It doesn't have any words, but we can watch it for a minute just to see how they did it.
Is there a way to like search up a rocket?
Yeah, search up scratch art rocket. So they just scratch a little more to make them wider, or use something a little bit bigger to get more color. And the more you scratch off, the prettier it really gets. Kind of exciting, huh?
I'm gonna draw back and forth.
Well, you can Google on your screen what you want to scratch, and you can start. This could take a long time, and you only have the one piece of paper. But the nice thing is if you mess up, it doesn't really matter. It's kind of forgiving. You just make a new design out of it. Yeah, that makes it look real fast when you do it like that. I don't think it's that fast.
I never had scratch paper.
I'm going to stop this one for a minute and do a different one. Let's watch the space one for a minute if I can get back to it. Uh-oh, that's not it.
show mine so far?
In a minute.
I drew a flower in space.
A flower in space, a space flower.
Yeah, space flower.
Well, you could draw a space cat. I've heard they're around quite a bit. Galaxy cat.
Wait, can we look it up by ourselves?
Can you do what?
Can we look the thing up?
Yeah, absolutely. Look up what you'd like to draw. There's millions of
Can I
designs
share?
here.
Can I share mine so far?
Go ahead, show us what you've made so far.
Yeah.
Nice, a rocket. Cool.
I want to make the
All right.
background.
I'll tell you what, I'm gonna read the book, American Born Chinese, while you guys keep coloring. And at the end, when you're done, we can all share our designs. I just got started too with my first flower. So
That's cool.
That's
quite a ways to go. It's super fun, isn't it? Very fun. Okay, so if you remember American Born Chinese, our friend Jin woke up and he had turned into a white kid. So I remember that the old woman at the beginning said, be careful what you wish for, right? So my prediction is things aren't going to go too well for him. But that's what he wished for some reason.
Hey,
So let's see happens.
what are you using to scratch your thing, Miss Laws?
I was just using a fork. I was using the tine of a fork. But I was told you can use like a graphite pencil, like a mechanical
Yeah,
pencil,
it's like this.
really fine lines. Yeah. So if you wanted to, you could use like a mechanical pencil and get really fine lines or that. There you have one of the real things. Did you get
Yeah.
that in your packet?
No, I had my mom and me like to draw with a lot of these rainbow ones, so we got.
Okay. Well, you guys can Google something else, but in the meantime, I'm going to read American Born Chinese. So I'm going to restart the computer.